You've likely heard that gold prices are climbing and silver prices are keeping pace with gold. You might be missing out on a potential opportunity to grow your own wealth, especially if you haven't established a personal precious metals portfolio. The good news is that you can get started today. If you're new to precious metals, your best bet is to educate yourself about them. The four major types of precious metals are gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Gold and silver are the two most commonly incorporated in a precious metals portfolio. Though the prices vary from day to day, nowadays palladium is the most expensive precious metal, and silver is the least expensive. Gold and platinum prices fall in the middle. The physical forms of precious metals are typically bullion coins and bullion bars. Proof coins can often add additional value to your portfolio due to their pristine condition and rarity. You can buy physical precious metals through reputable companies. You can also purchase them through financial products, such as a gold ETF or a precious metals IRA, though in these cases you won't have physical possession of them. The best choices when buying precious metals are informed choices, so it's smart to seek out someone who is more experienced before you make a buying decision. This could be a trusted relative, a financial advisor, or a representative of U.S. Money Reserve. You might want to start with a 1/10 ounce gold or silver coin, then expand to higher weights and different types of precious metals products, like graded and certified coins, or a financial product, such as a precious metals IRA, which lets you own precious metals without actually having them in your possession. When you own physical precious metals like gold and silver, look into storing them in a safe deposit box, an at-home safe, or a designated depository. Be sure to check insurance coverage for your precious metals before you choose. Once you've purchased precious metals, you'll want to keep on top of market conditions so you can make further purchases at the right time. You can sign up for email alerts from U.S. Money Reserve and track U.S. Money Reserve's price charts. Call U.S. Money Reserve today to learn more about taking advantage of this golden opportunity. Click the link in the description to download your free gold information kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about diversifying your portfolio with precious metals.